So, in an attempt to upgrade my shitty YouTube videos, I picked this up. Eken H9R. Got it off of Banggood for $41. Main reason I got this was, where's it at? Comes with a shitload of accessories and it does 1080 60. So, hopefully this will work out good. Just open it up, show you what's all in it. Get the camera. That's kind of given. I have a lot of accessories. Okay. Let's see what's in the box. Get a charge cord for European, which I am not European, so hopefully I can charge this thing. That's kind of dumb. USB cable. It's another. Okay. Looks like you get a spare replacement frame, a holder, another holder with sticky tap on the back for a bicycle holder, another holders, mostly just a bunch of different types of holders. This thing also, why I got it, it got the remote, so you just push a button to start the record and you don't have to look at the camera, you just click a button. Let's just turn this on, I don't know, try to get a little picture. Okay, no SD card in it right now, but hopefully it'll work out good for 40 bucks. Try to shoot my next video in this and hopefully you can see the difference. SD card, micro SD, buttons. Well, that's about it for now. Throw a link in the description if anyone wants to check it out. 40 bucks. Can't beat this thing.